Hello students, welcome to the 54th session of Visual Programming. Main objective of today's session is to learn about multiple document interface, that is shortly called as MDI. The end of the session, the students will understand the understanding of interfacing and other applications and multiple document interface. So now let us see what is a multiple document interface is. An application is referred to as multiple document interface or MDI if the user can open more than one document in the application without closing it. To provide this functionality, the application provides a parent frame that acts as the main frame of the computer program. Inside of this frame, the application allows creating views that each uses its own frame, making it distinct from the other. Here is Microsoft Word 97 displaying as a classic MDI application wherein you can open multiple documents there in the MS Word application. SDI application allows that a single document interface allows the user to work on only that is single document at a time. It also normally limits the user to working on a specific type of document. MDI applications not only enable the user to work on multiple documents at the same time, but also MDI applications can allow the user to work on multiple types of documents. An MDI application uses a window in a window style where there is a frame window around one or more child windows. This is a common application style with many popular software packages including MS Word and Excel. Architecturally, an MDI application is similar to an SDI application. In fact, with a simple MDI application, the only difference is the addition of a second frame class to the other classes that the app wizard creates. As shown below, the document view architecture is still very much the approach you use for developing MDI applications as well as SDI applications. So this is the diagram what you're seeing about the multiple document interface with two frames. One, you have the main frame window and you have the child frame window, which the two windows frames you are seeing. That's why it is called as the multiple documents interface. When you create an MDI application, you will create just one more class than you created with an SDI application. That is all the difference between an SDI and an MDI. The classes that are used while creating an MDI application are the CWin app derived class, CMDI frame derived class, CMDI child derived class, C document derived class, CView derived class. These are the classes that you will be using while creating the MDI application. Creating multiple document interface applications have two MDI derived classes. CMDI frame win and CMDI child win are the only two classes that are different from the SDI application that we created. The first of these two classes, the CMDI frame win derived C main frame, is the main frame of the application. It provides an enclosed space on the desktop within which all application interaction takes place. This frame window is the frame to which the menu and toolbars are attached. The second of these two classes, the CMDI child win derived C child frame class, is the frame that holds the CView class. It is the frame that passes messages and events to the view class for processing or displaying. Let's see how to build an application shell here. To create the application shell, follow the steps. You can just see these steps, read these steps and try it yourself. Create a new app wizard project and give a name to the project. On the first step of the app wizard, select multiple documents. Use the default values on the second step of the app wizard. On the third step of the app wizard, uncheck the support for ActiveX controls. On the fifth step, on the fourth step of the app wizard, leave all the default values. Click the Advanced button. In the Advanced Options dialog, enter a 3-letter file extension for the files that your application will generate. Click the Close button to close the dialog and then click Next to move to the next step of the app wizard. Use the default settings on the fifth step of the app wizard. On the sixth and final app wizard step, leave the base class as view and click finish. The app wizard generates the application shell. You can see this, the dialog boxes. Try it in your own system. First step is create a new app wizard project and give a name to the project, and also mention the location where you are creating the project. This is the second step. Select the multiple document, you can see the option there, multiple document you select. Use the default values on the second step of the app wizard. On the third step of the app wizard, uncheck the support for the ActiveX controls. On the fourth step of the app wizard, leave all the default values and click the advanced button. In the advanced dialog, option dialog, enter a 3-letter file extension for the files that your application will generate. For example, you can see there. Click the close button to close the dialog, and then click next to move to the next step of the app wizard. Use the default settings on the fifth step of the app wizard. On the sixth and final app wizard step, leave the base class as view and click finish. The app wizard generates the application shell. This is how you create a MDI application.